Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian puff puff without having to touch it with your hands. Keep watching. So for a start, what I'm going to be needing, some flour. I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be adding each and every step as we're going in this video. So I'm just measuring out some flour. I use 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use any flour of your choice. You can use self-rising flour. You can use bread flour. It doesn't even matter. Excuse me. It doesn't even matter. So you can use any flour of your choice, as long as it is what you want. And to that, I'm going to be adding some sugar. I'm not using all the sugar. I don't want it to be too sweet because the flour I'm just making is not that much. I'm going to be adding some nutmeg. Now, you need nutmeg for your small chop, also known as puff puff. You need nutmeg for it if you want to have that good taste, that yumminess. You need nutmeg. I'm going to be adding some salt. Though people don't like to add salt on their puff puff, I really like to add salt to it because I want to balance the sugar. I don't want it, eating well, because if I'm eating it, I don't like the taste it gives to me. It's just my own. It's optional. And to that, I'm going to be adding some dry active yeast. This yeast, you don't need to soak it in hot water. Just allow it be. You soak it or you don't soak it, it's going to rise, as long as the yeast is active. I'm going to be adding water little by little until I get the consistency that I'm looking for. And after that, I'm just going to cover it up and just set it aside and let it sit for 1 hour before I start frying the puff puff. I'm sorry if maybe you are hearing a little bit of noise from the background. These are just children outside, and I don't know where to make this voice record without having children around. Okay, so I'm not going to be touching it with my hand, as I said earlier. As you can see, I'm using a small spoon. This spoon, I got it from my baby's milk. When she was taking milk, I got this spoon from there. I kept it. I didn't throw it away because I know I'm going to be needing it. So that's how I make my puff puff. I don't have to touch it. Making puff puff at times can be messy, so I don't just want to go through all that. You can feel free to use your hand. Feel free to use ice cream scooper. That would be best. Use ice cream scooper, as it's going to help shape the puff puff that very well, and you're going to get a very round puff puff. So this is the end result of all of the puff puff. As you can see, it is really looking so beautiful and it tasted so good. My children really love it. I won't lie to you. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have not subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe. See you.